Hi guys, welcome to this session in Microsoft Access. In this module, I want to show you how you can do calculations across multiple tables. So first of all, let's just recap the actual database structure. This is our database that we're going to work with. So we've got a sales table in the middle there that's acting as a joining table. And then you've got a table of products, staff, and customers all linking in through that sales table. So when a customer buys a product, the number of items will be recorded in the sales table. That's what I want to do, but I need to know what the price is from the products table. So I'm going to create a query that's going to work that out. So there's two separate tables there. I'll close this down. That's because I moved something. I'll say yes to that. And then I'm going create query design. I'm going to add those tables. So you've got customers, products, and that's coming with a lookup line, which I don't want. So I'm going to get rid of that. And then as soon as I bring the sales table in, which is the joining table, you should see the lines coming from that relationship window, which is there, look. So if I get a customer's first name and surname down, and then from the sales, I want the quantity, but let's put the product down first and the price. Now I don't want the quantity from here. That's the stock quantity, how many I've got in stock. I want to know what the order quantity was, which is this table here. So that's coming from three different tables, this information. When I run that, it should give me that, which is great. But what I need now is another column, a calculated column, that's going to work out the price times quantity. It's simple as that, price times quantity. So I've saved this query as QRY sales records. Now I need to go into design to add this extra column, because what I want to know is the price times the quantity from the sales table. So just going to design on this. Now to add a calculation across tables, you need to get into the end column there. So I need to refer to this field, but it's in that table. So I need to have the words TBL sales and quantity. And this price is got to be TBL product and price. You can't just click on price and quantity, otherwise it doesn't know where it's coming from, because you can see there's two quantity fields anyhow in this query. Now you can type all that out if you know and you're confident with the syntax, but I suggest you go through the builder, and because you can't just come from here, you're going to have to go into the source tables to get this information. So I'm going in there, and there's the sales table. So I want sales quantity, double clicking on that. TBL sales in square brackets, exclamation mark, field quantity in square brackets. That's what comes up, and that's what you would have to type. Pressing times, and now I need to get to the products table, and I need the price. So I'm double clicking on price, and it's got TBL product in square brackets, exclamation price in square brackets. That is what I want. I'll give it a title in a minute. I'll just check whether this is going to work. Clicking OK to that. It comes up with expression 1. Let's have a run of it. And it does work. So you've got £100 there, price, and you bought 10. It's coming back with 1,000. So I can double click there and change that, or I can just go back into design, which I will do, and change it in here. Now remember, Shift F2 will zoom up this box, and then it's easy for you to see. So I'm going to call that sales value, capital V, and that way I've renamed it from expression 1, which doesn't really mean anything. Clicking OK to that. Run it again. Now it still works. Great. Save the query. Close the query down. Now the one that I did earlier on a different video was this sales details, which is pulling information, more information, but I haven't got the actual sales quantity on here, or the sales value. The same two fields are there, look. I just want to go and do the whole thing again on this one. So into design, I've got all four tables there. Now I'll do this at the end, so you can see at the end, get myself at the end. Same thing, back to expression builder, go into the source tables, and I want from the sales table, quantity times from the products table, price, products price, clicking OK to that, just checking that works. It does work. Now I need to move that field so it's next to order quantity. So I'll highlight that field, pull it over, let go, and then get rid of this expression 1 and put sales value in there. Sales or sale value. Like so. Run that, make sure everything still works. It does. Save the query, close the query down. So that's how you do calculations across tables. Best to use the expression builder so you don't do the typos, but if you're confident and you've done it lots of times, obviously you can just type it if you know what to put. But that's all I want to talk about in this little video, how you can do calculations across tables. So thanks for your time, and I'll catch you on the next one.